Hello guys, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Etem from Forex Portal Academy, and we've just downloaded our MT5 account just like we've shown in the last video. Now what we want to do is create a demo account. Okay, so we're just going to click on this, and then we're going to allow notifications. Of course, we want to get notifications about our trade. What do you mean? So we're going to accept and get ready to create a demo account. We're going to click on open demo account. So we're going to create a demo account that we're going to use throughout the process of this class. Okay, so this is going to be called test class. Date of birth, we're just going to create a Gen Z account. Here we're going to have our phone number, here we have our email. Okay, we have our saver choosing, and we're going to leverage, and 1:200. We're going to talk about leverage as we proceed in this class, and then deposit, and we're not going to do 200. Let's do 10,000. Okay, and then we're going to accept terms and then register a demo account. You see, the process is just that simple, and then you click start. And please, the same process applies to an Android account, so it's the same thing. Once you download your MT5 and open your MT5 app, you're going to basically just follow the same process we just did on the iPhone, right? So here you have your quote, you have different panels. You can look at history, you have settings. Okay, so here you have your quote, and what if you want to add more quote, or you do not find the quote you want to trade, or maybe in class we're talking about a particular currency pair and you don't have it here. So how do you add it? It's quite simple. You just hit here, and then you see the categories forex. You can add them. Just click on the plus icon and they just get uploaded. You can scroll down, you can add them. Okay, you can just search for what you want and then click on the plus icon, whatever, and then you can get over here for metal. So you have gold right here, you have silver trading with United States dollar. Okay, so right here is metal. You can add the metal you want, you can add the index you need, stocks, whatever you want. Okay, and then it will just appear over here. And what if there is a commodity you don't like, or you swore you'd never trade, you don't want to see it? You just come over here, click on this pencil icon. Once you do that, you'd find that particular commodity. If you don't want to stress yourself, you can basically type it, and then it would come up, and then you just select it and then hit the basket and off it goes. Okay, so basically that's how to create your demo account so that we can get into business in this free class. Please, if you have any question, you have any challenge, feel free to send us a DM. I'm available, our admins are available. If you want to hop on a call, feel free, we're available to attend to you. Just send us a DM on WhatsApp, Telegram, or on Instagram, and then we'll direct you straight to our support team, and then we're going to attend to whatever challenge you have. Thank you very much.